Welcome to JH. Today, we'll learn how to turn on noise cancellation in Google Meet. Whether you are preparing for a major presentation or simply want to ensure clear communication, activating this feature makes a significant difference. Let's explore how to set this up in just a few quick steps. To begin, navigate to meet.google.com and select the meeting you intend to join, whether it is a scheduled event or a spontaneous call. Once you have selected the meeting, but before you click the Join button, take a moment to adjust your preferences. Look toward the top right corner of the screen to find the More Options button, represented by 3 vertical dots. Click these dots to open a drop-down menu and select Settings. This serves as your hub for managing various meeting options. Within the Settings window, click on the Audio section. Here, you will find a toggle for noise cancellation. Simply switch this feature on to activate it. By doing so, Google Meet will automatically filter out background noise and focus on your voice for much clearer communication. Now that these adjustments are made, you are ready to enter the call. Just click Join Now and proceed knowing your audio is optimized. If you are already in a meeting and decide to enable noise cancellation, the process is just as easy. First, look at the bottom right corner of your meeting screen. Again, you will find the More Options button shown as 3 dots. Click this to open the menu. Then navigate to Settings. Just like the pre-meeting setup, go to the Audio section. You will see the option to toggle noise cancellation on. Turn it on, and the ambient noise will immediately fade away, allowing your discussion to take center stage. Following these simple steps will enhance your audio quality both before and during your calls, ensuring you are heard clearly. Noise cancellation is a vital tool in today's remote environments where distractions are everywhere. We hope these tips provide a smoother, more focused experience for you and your colleagues or classmates. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need assistance with their virtual meetings.